Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel APM Guide, and I'm your Ramesh Kodumuru. As a part of our APM device farm series, in this video we'll see how to run the first test script with the APM device farm. Okay, so before going to our topic, you can just visit my APM guide GitHub, okay, where you can find all the scripts, okay, which I am working on the videos, okay, and the APK files and configuration files, okay. Just clone the GitHub and you can just go to the scripts, okay. Apart from this one, you can just go to the medium, okay, just type the at the rate of apm guide, where you can find all the articles what I am explaining in the videos, okay. So whatever you are seeing in the videos, okay, are presented as articles in the medium, okay, and just type the apm guide in the medium, okay. Apart from that, you can visit my blog, okay, where I have separated each and every concept, okay, has a separate page here, and each and every concept has the article and the video series, okay. Just click on the links, you can just navigate to the particular article, okay. So this is all about the apm guide github and apm guide medium and the blog, okay. Just type the apm guide by the Kodumur Ramesh, you can just go to this blog, yes, okay. So coming to our topic, that is to run the first test script with the device form. So first of all, we prepare the script with us. So to open the Eclipse IDE, here create a package ap say com.apm guide dot device form, click on finish. So whatever the scripts we are creating under this device form series will be present in the device form package, okay. Now we need to identify the one of the scripts, okay. So I want to reuse the script in the device form, okay. I just select the UI scrollable and I choose this script, okay. It is just the UI scrollable class, okay. Here I am using the lengthy horizontal scroll test, okay, on the API demos app, okay. You can just select any script here, okay. So I want to show that how to what are the changes we need to do in our existing script, okay. Just select the script, copy this one and just paste it under this package, okay. Now we'll go to the package and select this script and just rename the script, because this is not the lengthy hider scroll test as it is in the UI scroll bit, you get confused. So just change this class name here, we'll change it, we'll say as device form underscore the first script demo, okay. I've given this name device form underscore the first script demo. Just select that, change the file name. Yes, so our script is ready now, okay. So you're using the existing script, okay. And now we start the APM server explicitly with the device form plugin. So open the command prompt and just say type apm space hyphen kl, keep alive timeout. I give the 800 seconds and I want to use the plugin, use plugin equal to device form. Device hyphen publish name of the plugin. Okay, and now I had the base path hyphen pa space /wd hub space double hyphen. We had to use the argument called plugin hyphen device form hyphen platform, and we are working on Android, so we had to do Android here. That's it. So already I explained in our previous videos what exactly this command all about. Okay, this is the apm space k, that is a keep alive timeout 800 seconds I have given. So, okay, and I'm using the argument use plugin, okay, to explicitly activate the device form. I mean the name of the plugin -pa, that is the base path, okay, and the plugin device form platform. So I have to mention that as an Android here because we are putting on Android. So click on enter. Just wait for a few seconds so that the APM server start explicitly with the device form plugin. The first step, we have identified the script here. Now we have started the APM server with this plugin. You can see the base path, keep alert timeout, and the use plugin device form. Okay, our APM device form is started here. Okay, just go to the browser. You can just select any browser here and just type the localhost colon 4723, that is the port slash device form here. Click on enter. Okay, so the device form automatically identify the device. Okay, in this case, I am using the Android emulator here. Okay, to demonstrate it. So the specialty of the device form is automatically it identifies the device for test. Okay, so here now we have to execute the this script in this emulator here. Okay, so I will change the device name here. See, if I run this script, it will fail. Okay, why? Because the URL what we are using here, it is not matching for this particular device form because we have started the APM server with the device form. Okay, so here we need to do some changes here. Okay, for exactly for the URL. So we'll see what exact change we have to do it. Only one change we have to do it. So just go to the logs. If you observe the logs, it says our plugin device form data version active. So we have activated the APM server with the device form. Just scroll down. Yeah, just to go here. Yeah, if you see here about this one, we have the APM REST HTTP interface listener started on this server, and you can provide the following URLs in your client code to convert to this server. Okay, so I'm using the same host, local host. Okay, so I've selected this link. Just copy this one and just paste it. So just one change we need to use here. Otherwise, just you can just type slash wd hub. That's it. The same thing. Okay, the same thing I copied here. That's it. Okay, same thing. See, just we need to add wd base path. We need to add the base path. We need to add the base path to our URL. The only one change that we had to use for existing script is that slash wd hub, the base path details we need to add. That is the address port base path consists of this URL here. That's it. Only one change. So normally in our project, what we do, we used to provide this URL from our setup Excel sheet. Okay. Okay. So just change the URL there. Okay. And all our script will be reflected with this URL, and you can execute this test by using the device form here. Okay. The small one change you had to do it. That is the we had to use address. Okay. We are using 27 127.0.0.1 colon, we are using default port 4723, and just you need to add the base path, that is the /wd /hub. That's it. Just click on save. Okay, our script is ready to execute on the device form here. Okay, now we'll go to the browser and click on use device. So automatically it will create a mirror because the device form has connected with my Android emulator here. So it will create a mirror image in the device form UI. It takes few seconds to create the device form because already it is connected. Yes. So you see the device form has created the mirror image of this Android emulator here. So whatever you want to do it, you can do it in the emulator, automatically reflects here in our device form. I want to close this app. It just takes some time to reflect here. Yes, we have closed them. Just observe whatever actions we are performing in the emulator is reflected here because it is created a mirror image. Okay, just refresh here. Click on use device. Okay, now we'll run the script on device form. So you can see the actions which are performing on the Android emulator will see in the device form here. Right click. Just we had added the base path here to you all. Just click on right click and run as the test every test. So I'm just executing the scroll action on the API demos app. You can see the background, the test execution is starting there. Just wait, you cannot able to see that. Just navigate to other screens here, you can automatically see here. Just refresh it. So whatever actions, whatever test script we are performing on the Android emulator, you can just see the actions performing the same thing in the device form here. Because the device form has connected with this device and it has created a mirror in our device form device screen. So like this, we can perform all our scripts, okay? And it generates the logs, everything, we can use it in our device form. This is just a demo script, okay? I want to show how we can able to connect our script with the device form. You can observe that whatever the actions are going, okay, in our device emulator, you can see same is in the device form because it is connected to the device and it is provided a mirror image. So in the coming videos, you can see how to upload the file, how to install the file from the device form. Okay. So how to get the logs, screenshots we have here, right? Screenshots, files, everything we are going to discuss in this series. The scripts are executed. See, this pass here in our console. Okay, just come to device form. The same thing, whatever the actions we have performed in the our Android emulator in this case. Okay, you can do the same. You can connect these devices. Okay, iOS or real devices. All this we are going to in this see in this series. Okay, so this is how we can able to run our first script. Okay, on the device form. Okay, we can see the execution and it produces the logs also. Okay, I will show it here. So it has given the logs in server. Okay, but if you click on this server, you cannot able to see the logs. Okay, it says server log file is not enabled while starting the server. So in our next video, we'll see how to enable the server logs in the device form. That is our next video. So we had to do some small change in our command. Okay, I will explain it how to do that one. So in our next video, we'll see how to get the logs in our device form servers screen here. Okay, so this is just to demonstrate how we can able to execute our first script. Okay, with the device form, automatic device form connected with our device, and we have seen the mirror image of the device and all the actions which are performing on this device we have seen it here and it produces the logs. Okay, and in next videos we'll see how to get the pass fail rate, everything, all these graphs we can go through it here. Okay, test duration, or we have the bills. Okay, it has given the bill number here. How to read this bills? It says timeouts. Okay, all these things we are going to see in our coming videos here. So this video is just to demonstrate the how we can able to connect the our scripts with the device form here. Just we need to do the small change in our script. Okay, that is our we need to give the instead of this URL, I had to give this /wd /hub. This just we need to do the add the base path this to this URL here. So in your project, okay, normally we used to use this URL to the variable, or we do to do the with the setup Excel sheet. Just change the URL in one setup Excel sheet. Okay, automatically reflect to the all the scripts here. Okay, so this is all about for this uh, video. Okay, if you like this video, please click on like button, subscribe channel. In next video, we'll see how to get this server logs here. So we need to start the API server with some argument. Then the automatically device form will put give the or will show the server logs. Okay, where you can download or you can able to do it here. Okay, so wait for the next video. Okay, if you like this video, please click on like button, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.